For the fans of Star Wars, Lego has a gift this September. We all are aware that Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker is the final film in the sequel trilogy that's going to arrive this September 1st. Lego is up with a new STEM Star Wars kit and will be launching it on the same day the movie is releasing. No one does dance strategy quite like Lego. The company's been one of the biggest Star Wars licensors over the years, and for the first time it's applying one of the most valuable pieces of IP to its own line of STEAM kits, Lego Boost. For this year's Star Wars Day, the Danish company is announcing the arrival of the LEGO Star Wars Boost Droid Commander set, which uses the underlying educational property as a jumping off point to build a trio of classic routes from the series. Kids can use the kit to build R2D2, Going, and the mouse droid, commanding them on 40 different missions, while learning to build and code in the process. It looks like an effective way to discuss the whole learning bit behind one of history's most beloved film series. The set includes 1,177 pieces coupled with color and distance sensors and an interactive motor to get the robots moving. All of that works with the new Boost Star Wars app, which will be available for Android, iOS, and Firefox devices, featuring such missions as assisting an X-Wing flight and seeking those sneaky rebels.